In this video, I will show you how to check max RAM capacity in Windows 10. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and check this, as you can see, we're here on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and into the search box you want to go ahead and type command prompt. Next, what you need to do is open up the command prompt app underneath best match. Then what you want to do is type the following command into command prompt, which is WMIC. Then you want to put MEM physical. Then you want to put a space and then put get. Then a space and then you want to put max capacity, just like so. Once that's done, go ahead and press enter, and what's going to happen, you're going to get this returned with these series of numbers. So this number shown is actually in kilobytes. So what we now need to do is convert this to gigabytes. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is open up the calculator on your PC. Then what you need to do is enter this number into your calculator. Once you've entered that number, you want to divide this by 1024, and this is going to give you your megabytes. Then again, if you divide this number by 1024, you're going to get your gigabytes. So as you can see, we're left with 8 gigabytes. Now what we can also do is check the motherboard capacity as well. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is come down to your search box, and this time you want to type system information, and again open up system information underneath best match. Now from here you want to come down to your baseboard information, which is just here. So your baseboard is another name for the motherboard, and what you want to do is look for where it says baseboard product, and this is going to be your actual number. So once you found out your model number, as you can see for mine, it's an Apple Mac, and basically what you want to do is open up a internet browser, and then what you can do is put your motherboard number into here, and afterwards in Google you want to put your motherboard number and RAM capacity and then press enter. And generally this is going to direct you to some websites where you can find out the maximum RAM capacity of your motherboard. So what you would do for this example for a Mac, you would just scroll down and find your Mac from the list. So for example, if it was a MacBook Pro Core i5, I would click onto here, and then if you scroll down the page, you're going to see some specs relating to this Mac. And as you can see, if we scroll down a bit further, you can see the standard RAM and the max RAM capacity, which is of course 8 GB. Now, if you do find this number is different to what you've input using the previous method, using the calculator, what I would recommend doing is using the lowest number, just to be on the safe side if you are looking to upgrade your RAM capacity. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.